So in your beginning part writing, one of the simplest ways to figure out how to write a progression is to follow this, which is the circle of fifth chord progression. So we're going to start, and if you notice, these are each built on fifths. So it's a little bit easy to kind of figure out. And you have a number of ways to get around and kind of figure out where you want to go. So here's the chart, and you can use this however you please, but I'll kind of interpret it for you so you can figure out how to use it. So if we start with the 3 chord, we're going to go to the 6 chord, or you can go up to the 4 chord. If you go up to the 6 chord, you have an option of either going to the 4 chord or the 2 chord. If you go to the 4 chord, you need to go down to the 2nd chord. If you go straight from the 6th to the 2 chord, you can either go from the 7th to the 5th, and after the 7th or the 5th, you can go to the 1. But there's some variations. So if you start with the 3rd, you can go to the 4th, and then you can go straight to the 1. Or you could do 3, 6, 2, 5, and then instead of going to 1, you could go back to 6. So if you start anywhere in this pattern, I suggest that you always start your pieces when you're part writing with a 1, and you go to a 3, a 6, a 2, a 5, a 1. 1 can go back to anywhere. 1 leads to anywhere, but it's common for it to lead back to 3. So use this as you will. Use it as a guide so that you can figure out how to part write.